Office in New Orleans has issued a tornado warning for northwestern Walpole County in southern Mississippi, northern Pike County in southern Mississippi, until 6:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. To those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roof, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near, some at around 5:50 p.m. Central Daylight Time. This includes Interstate 55 in Mississippi between mile markers 21 and 24. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 6:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time in the following counties in Mississippi: Pike and Wausau.